My name is Connie Parker, and we welcome you to our home that was built by Meadows Log Homes. We absolutely love our home. We've been here, as a matter of fact, it's 11 years. Meadows was wonderful. It's like a family. It was just a great experience. Anytime anyone walks in, the first thing they say when they come through the front door is how warm they feel and how comfortable, and they don't want to leave. What's so great, one thing, is our large windows, because we try to bring the outside in. The only thing we use for heat is our wood stove, and that was due to the way they built the home, that the heat we don't use any electric. We have absolutely no issues at all. We more than welcome anyone that wants to come see our home. We left the loft open, which makes our home look larger, and I also believe warmer. The original plans to the home did not have the master bedroom. The boys, the guys, Meadows, they put it together and made our master bedroom to the side. We put the French doors there, which gives you quite a bit of privacy, and people are amazed when you open the doors and see how large the room is. And of course, we have our big windows in there so you can see every part. We have no air conditioning. We don't need it with 2 ceiling fans and our cross vent. It is fantastic in the summertime as well as winter. Winter is my favorite because it snows here every day. One of our biggest assets of our home is our front porch. We sit at about 4,300 feet. Your view is just awesome. So the porch being so long, I made sure that we had a lot of seats here because everybody loves to come up and watch the shooting stars, the snow fly, or even the 4th of July fireworks. Our kitchen we made large so that when we had company, which every Thanksgiving, the largest crowd we've had is 32 people for Thanksgiving, but everybody's comfortable. They just go through the house. I have recommended Meadows to a lot of people. I hope they followed through when they were ready to build their log home, which was our dream all our life. We couldn't ask for anything better.